in something else.
Yeah, but we're on a mega reformer, right?
Yeah.
It said megaformer, right?
It said, yeah.
Yeah, so megaformer is that machine that slides.
Yeah.
So basically when she means cardio, she means like we're gonna be like moving a lot.
Okay.
But it's like I've done a full body one, I just haven't done a full body one at Studio Physique. Okay. I did a full body one at that blue one, Solid Core, which is awesome. Oh my god, Solid Core is getting built next to my building.
It is.
Yes.
That's so funny.
I'm actually so excited.
Pilates or something. There's a club Pilates or something under you.
Yeah. Well, I'm so excited. And it's basically like she'll explain it to you because there's like cues, but it doesn't talk as fast as Pure Barre.
Oh, that's great.
Like, I feel like it's a lot slowed. At least the person I had last time was a lot slowed.
Well,
but
the lady we have is like old.
Yeah. Which is probably perfect. But she's probably going to kill us. That's what
because if she's old, it means she has a lot of
experience. Yeah. But normally you do, some of the stuff that you do is really hard though. So for real, last time when I went, there was one of these things she had us doing and I was like literally stuck half the time because I literally didn't have like enough strength to like put my leg back on the cord or whatever. And it was like, But if you're next to someone, it's like less embarrassing, you know? What?
I thought Lily chewed up one of my shirts.
Oh. I was like, that does not sound good. Someone just said I look like Sabrina Carpenter. I don't think that's accurate, but I'm gonna say thanks because a lot of people think she's hot. So, up in the nasty girl. Why is that song stuck in my head? Freaking TikTok, bro! I swear. Up in the nasty girl. Up in the nasty. Oh wait, you can't have pancakes. That's such a sad life. Damn, I'm serious. You're going crazy. You're going crazy. Where is the measuring cups? All right, guys. Okay. Up in the nasty girl, up in the nasty girl. What's up, Jay? What am I doing? Oh, I'm making pancakes. A cup of this. Join my live. Thanks, Semper. You too. Courtney. My Cash App is in my bio. All right, y'all.
Where's my avocados?
Where's the spoon? Oh. Well, looks like we're gonna be having 4 pancakes today. Maybe I can put some back. Nothing. No, I'm such a klutz. Up in the nasty girl. My sister is not my actual sister. She's a fake sister. She's fake. AF. Rawr. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. She's the weirdest MF of them all. She the realest one. Luna, you want some flour?
What happened to all the bowls? I literally put a bunch of.
I have one. And then there's a fork. More water. What, Gavin? What's up, Cotton? I don't think I've ever been to a Waffle House in Tampa, so. Have we? I didn't even know Waffle House was in Tampa.
They have a bunch of. Like,
I thought they were. I literally thought Waffle House was like only on the beach for like a long time.
Really?
Until we went to the Waffle House by school.
Oh, yeah.
Then I was like, wait.
Why are we not cracking? That's crazy.
What's up?
Etsy, this is double egg. I was about to be Christian.
What?
That's insane.
What? Literally take a picture of that. That's like not real.
Does that mean I have this one?
What does that mean? She just cracked an egg and look. 2 yolks came out. It looks like a penis. Kidding. Chode. Literally what? How does that make any sense?
That's insane. I've seen it happen on like TikTok, but I've never like had it happen in person.
You should post that. Maybe it'll go viral. Up in the sticker. Do we have another pan? Somebody wanna match my freak. Oh my gosh, Alicia, you should have tried the pasta I made yesterday. Like, I know you don't eat pasta, but
Yeah,
you should have just had like a bite of it, because I don't know what I did, but it was so. Is this clean?
Yeah. I just cracked 1 egg, and 2 yolks came out.
Oh, that happens.
Well, it's never happened.
Every
to
day,
me.
let's go.
That's never happened to me.
What did he say?
He said that happens. When has that happened?
When does that happen to you?
Never. I know it hasn't. Well, I was gonna make 3 eggs too. I was like, I don't know. We'll see. That's actually hilarious. I lost him. He was in an elevator. That's so weird. Oh my god.
That is wacky. This one is so
I don't
weird.
like that one. I never use it.
The handle is like falling off.
Yeah, I don't want to sit on it.
This guy goes, it's hilarious women think they're independent. Bro, I'm laughing too, man.
That's crazy.
To think that you're ever gonna get a girl. Kidding. I'm kidding. All love. You'll probably have a great girlfriend. No. Up in the nasty girl. Sometimes you just don't need to say things, you know? Like sometimes people just
Oh, I have one.
don't need to know.
Okay, well, I have 4 eggs in
Do you think this is too thick? Maybe a little bit.
No, that'd be okay. Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Lilykins. This fork is not doing good. He goes, y'all are barely pulling breakfast together. That's okay, man. If that's what you think, then that's alright.
My breakfast is going fine.
Think what you want. Think what you want. I don't really care.
I actually had good luck with 2 yolks in my eggs.
Yeah, she got 2 yolks in her egg. I think breakfast is going swell. Alright. And chocolate chips on the pancakes. I always do this with my chocolate chips because I feel like I can like place them.
Yeah.
So every bite you get a chocolate chip.
Luna.
Oops.